In the left-hand settings, click Pages. Under the main navigation section, we can see our current links. To drag them around, we just move them like this, and that will rearrange the menu. To the right of each page, you have a 3-dot menu with many other options, where you can make pages the home page, change the page URL, rename them, duplicate, things like this. If we hide gallery from navigation, that will drop it into this section, hidden from navigation. The page is still accessible, it's just not in your menu. Click the 3-dot menu and show in navigation to make the page return. You can toggle on the Coming Soon mode, and if you toggle that on, a placeholder page will be displayed for your website. To see that, just click on this bar here, and you could edit this page just like any other. I'll turn that off, click my home page, and then drag that back to the top.